Happy with the overall performance?
Happy with the team, yes, a lot. Happy with the result, no. Happy with the team because I think that with all the difficulties that we had this week, and we had in the game, because in the first 25 minutes you need to change 2 players that are important. You need to change 2 players that are in our attack. This makes a lot of difficulties. We play with young players and they did very well. For one of them, it's the first experience in the league. I am satisfied. With the result, I am unhappy. Why? It's because in the 80 minutes, we are winning 2-1. And we need to try to win this game that for us is very important. But if you see all the week, it's good. And if you see the game, it's honest. Because they have chance, they play well also. I cannot say nothing to my players. They bring 100%, and the youth players play very well. We are working, we are building players. 2 South Australian players play today. We need to be satisfied with this. And with this, we fight and we have chance to win the game. I am satisfied. But in the end, I want to win. And when you have the game close and you think that you can win, after you are upset. But if you see the picture for all the week and all the game, I think that is a good result.
And what about Bruce?
Bruce, I need to check because in the first time we are trying to arrange all the things, and I think that is a muscle problem in his adductor, but honestly I don't know exactly what have Bruce and what have Cirio, because in the halftime our objective is to try to arrange the team after these 2 players that you need to make the changes.
Was it just bad luck just to lose them, or was it the programming last week's game a factor as well?
Maybe. We need to check, we need to see exactly which problems have any single player. Maybe Cirio have one, because Cirio was injured 3 weeks ago in Perth, but now the injury that he has is in another place. We need to see very well. Now I cannot speak a lot about his injuries because I don't have the report, because in the halftime, most important in the moment is the game, and after we finish the game, we need to work in this.